Hey folks, got a 2012 Rav4 here in this freezing cold weather, midnight auto repair. Customer complaint is the right side turn signal and parking light bulb was out. Okay, from here it looks like you got to take the whole headlight out, but you do not have to. All you have to do is just take a couple of panel clips here. There's about 6 of them. I lifted it up, I put a little bungee cord to hold it. I'm going to show you how to get to it. All right, where's my little flashlight here? It is the one in the upper corner. Okay, if you look at it, it's not that one with the gray. Okay, it's this one with the little black wire with a black connector right there. Okay, it's got 2 little wings on it, so you can grab it and you can turn it lefty-loosey. All right, that's on the passenger side. On the driver's side is the same way. It's down yonder, and it's up on top. All right, you can get through it through here, through the battery side, and come up. It's in the very, very top corner. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can get this one for you. I already installed it for you, so I'm just gonna grab it for you and let you see how I got to it. With this one, I took the panel off, so instead of going through the coolant reservoir that way, I'm gonna go right through here, through the corner. Through here, it's the very, very top. Just turn it lefty-loosey, and it'll come right out. There she is. All right, these are the 2 little wings that I told you that you can grab. Okay, grab that, turn it to the left, comes right out. Now to stick it back in after you change the bulb. It's a push-in bulb. I just happen to have a Sylvania brand there from a different car. It plugs in the same. Now I just got to turn it righty-tighty. Hear it click? There it is. All right, this is what the bulb looks like. Where is it? It looks like an oversized 194 bulb. Look at that. All right, that's it. I just happen to have a 7443 in there, and it works. All right, there you go. Now I just got to put the panel back on, and we're good to go. Alrighty, that's it. Turn signal and parking light bulb on a Rav4 in the front. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Go inside. It's freaking cold out here. Ciao.